Control unit. In 1951, Van Neumann and his team proposed a design of a stored program computer. According to his design, a sequence of instructions called a program, and the data are stored in the memory of the machine. The machine reads the instructions one by one and executes these instructions accordingly. This seemingly simple design is proved to be very powerful and general purpose. It is the basis of most modern day computers. If we consider the architecture of the modern stored program machine, the following are most important components. Control unit. CU. The control unit reads the instructions from the memory and decodes these instructions. This unit uses other components of a computer to execute the instructions given to the computer. Arithmetic and logical unit. As the general purpose computer can perform different arithmetic operations on the data, so it has a special unit that has electronic circuits to perform the basic arithmetic and logical operations on the data. This is called the arithmetic and logical unit, or ALU. Main memory. The stored program computer has another very important component that is used to store programs and data while these are being executed. This unit is commonly known as the main memory of the computer. Sometimes we also call it the working area of the computer. I/O unit. This handles the processor's communication with its peripherals, for example, disk drive, monitor, printer, etc. There are registers to hold the data coming in or going out, and a peripheral device selection unit which determines which interface to send the data to, as the data and instructions should be in the memory before the computer can start executing it, so to place data and instructions in the memory. This stored program computer also has some I/O devices. Bus interconnection. This is another important component of the basic architecture, and this component is used to connect different parts of the computer together. The figure given below shows clearly the main components in the architecture of the computer. The CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer. In terms of computing power, the CPU is the most important element of a computer system. The CPU is centrally located on the motherboard, since the CPU carries out a large share of the work in the computer. Data pass continually through it. The data come from the RAM and the units, keyboard, drives, etc. After processing, the data is sent back to RAM and the data and the units. The CPU continually receives instructions to be executed. Each instruction is a data processing order. The work itself consists mostly of calculations and data transports. On large machines, CPUs require one or more printed circuit boards. On personal computers and small workstations, the CPU is housed in a single chip called a microprocessor. Two typical components of a CPU are the arithmetic logic unit, the ALU part of a computer that performs all arithmetic computations such as addition and multiplication and all comparison operations. The ALU is one component of the CPU. The control unit, which extracts instructions from memory and decodes and executes them. calling on the ALU when necessary. Main memory. As mentioned earlier, a computer executes a program in its main memory, which is another very important component of the stored program computer. A computer cannot work without having some kind of main memory in it. In this section, we will learn more about different types of memories used in a computer and their working. Mostly the modern computer memory is built in the form of a chip of a semiconductor material. It is built in the form of 1000 or 11 millions of cells, each capable of storing a bit 0 to 1.